go. Alright, let's see what we got. So they got that at about 10 degrees. So I'm curious what wide open Mamba Jamba is. And he probably has a hot foot, so probably gonna have to take this offline because this would be your hot foot. Anyway, let's see what that is. Yeah, he's got a hot foot. So what we need to do is pop this off. I don't even know if you can see. I gotta pop off the throttle cable. Our wide open Spark Advance. I'm just kind of curious to see what it is. $28, $29 degrees. Let's go get a book. See what they say about it. But I'm thinking this is right here is the, like, okay, so let's look. Our linkage down here is a little bit off. Alright, so we need to get this so that this plate over here is absolutely even. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a, what would that be? Where's my other thing, man? Come on. So yeah, you can't have this box in line when you do this, because it'll throw it all kinds of cattywampus. Okay, so this is going to adjust this linkage. And you want it right in the middle. You want that to be right, cam roller right in the middle. So that's where that should be. Okay. Alright, I think we're getting somewhere. I checked to make sure these were all like at 1.5 open, and then talked to him about this because I think he said, well, he said he cleaned these. And so then I was like, well, did you get all the jets in the right locations? And he wasn't sure. So I went and got online. Of course, this is a year that it's real super confusing. And basically what I deciphered was, you know, because these had different jets in different locations, so you gotta make sure you get it in the right location or you're gonna be screwed. But up here he's got 0.098 and 0.48. I think they're saying 076.46. In the middle carb, he's got 0.095 and 0.46. Bottom carb, he's got 0.96 and not sure which one that is, but so I'm wondering, I think the ones on the side, 0.40, 0.40, these are all the same, so you couldn't mess those up. And my thing is, maybe we take, man, the leaves, so bad. That time of year. There's another screw sitting down there. I don't know what that's to. I've got some guitar strings I'm going to just stick in each one of these guys. See if they're kind of clogged up or not. Anyway, folks, just trying to stick these up in here and see if I got any kind of debris or make sure they're not like clogged. Alright, well, I don't know. Let's start it and see what it does. Maybe I can adjust on it. guitar strings and kind of stuck through the jets there. It didn't sound like that yesterday at all. I mean, it actually sounds like it's like ready to go, to be honest with you. I do want to put some cleaner in the gas. I don't know what kind of gas he's got. But I want to look up my meter here and see if this thing is charging. And this is with the idle stabilizer disconnected. So I feel pretty good about that. Oh yeah, it's charging. We're at 14. Let's see if I can get it up here so you guys see it. If it's you see 14 like that, then you know yeah, it's charging good. Like that smoke? Wow. What are you guys doing? It is pretty out, isn't it? She's got her Mackinac City, Mackinac Island shirt on. I mean, that sounds pretty mean to me. I don't know. We'll put that idle stabilizer back on and see what it does. It's being good. Oh, that kind of made it flat, didn't it? See if it does it again. My neighbor's like, shut that thing up.